Hello friends, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm making an eggplant dish called Baba Ganoush. Baba Ganoush is one of the oldest and most beloved eggplant dish in Middle East. Today people all around the world are enjoying Baba Ganoush and they make different version of it, but I'm gonna make a very classic Baba Ganoush, maybe four ingredients, and it's very simple, easy to do. And I'm invited for dinner to a friend's house, so I'm gonna take it as an appetizer with me today. So I'm gonna show you how to make it. So let's get started. To make this creamy and flavorful baba ganoush, you'll need 4 eggplants, 6 cloves of garlic, the juice of 1 lemon, 1 tablespoon of fresh cracked black pepper, half a tablespoon of salt, and half a cup of tahini, and some olive oil. Start by washing and thoroughly drying the eggplants. Before roasting them over an open flame, use a sharp knife to pierce each eggplant a few times. This allows steam to escape and helps prevent the eggplant from bursting while they roast. If you don't have a gas stove, roast the eggplants under the oven broiler. Turn them every few minutes until they are evenly charred on all sides, and keep a close eye on them to prevent burning. For the richest, smokiest flavor, roast the eggplants directly over an open fire until the skin is charred and the flesh is tender. Test the eggplants with a knife. If it slides in easily, they are perfectly roasted and ready. Transfer the eggplants to a cutting board and cut them in half. Scoop out the flesh, and don't worry if a few bits and pieces of charred skin come along. They are adding to your smoky flavor and enhance your Baba Ganoush taste. Be careful when handling the eggplants. They are very hot and the steam can easily burn your fingers. Once you have scooped out the flesh, place it on the cutting board and give a rough chop. This helps break up any stringy piece or pieces and create a smooth baba ganoush. Now transfer the chopped roasted eggplants to a mixing bowl. Add the tahini
salt, freshly cracked black pepper, lemon juice, and 6 cloves of minced garlic. Now mix everything together until all the ingredients are well combined and the Baba Ganoush becomes smooth and creamy.
By the way, who doesn't like the taste of Baba Ganoush? Creamy, smoky, lemony, and garlicky taste. This is so good. This is a very, very delicious appetizer.
Transfer the delicious Baba Ganoush to a serving dish and garnish it with some Kalamata olive, a fresh basil for a beautiful finishing touch. Since I am taking this Baba Ganoush to a friend's house, I'll skip the olive oil drizzle for now, but I highly recommended adding a drizzle of extra virgin olive oil before serving.
Okay, friend, dish is ready. Baba Ganoush is ready, and I'm sure it tastes really, really great. I'm gonna taste a little bit. Oh, this is so great. My Baba Ganoush is ready, and I have to go get ready to go to my dinner party. I hope you can make this dish and enjoy it with your friends and family. Let me know in a comment how did you like it, and please subscribe for future dishes. Thank you very much for watching. Have a good day. Happy summer.